You're grinding online, but nothing's working. The old rules, post, hashtag, hope, are dead. The game has changed. The field now favors the bold and authentic. This chaos, it's your biggest opportunity. The gatekeepers are gone. Today, I'll give you the 8 shifts to dominate in 2025. This is your battle plan. Let's go. Dre sold rare sneakers. His Instagram was perfect, like an art gallery, but growth stalled. Then he stopped being a museum and became a network polished main page, raw behind the scenes, unfiltered stories. The messy, real content exploded. Your brand isn't a static photo, it's a living ecosystem. Action step, start a second, raw account. Test, experiment, see what resonates. When something hits, double down. Stop curating, start broadcasting. Burnout is real. You can't create 24/7. But now you can clone yourself with AI. Build an AI persona to share your expertise, answer questions, and scale your presence. Create a second AI, your ideal customer, to engage and research. Action step. Use tools like HeyGen and 11 Labs. Map out content for both personas. This is how you build an army of one. Amplify, don't replace. Your feed is predictable. Consistency is gold until it's boring. Predictable content gets ignored. The brain craves novelty. Winners break their own patterns. Serious, then funny. Polished, then raw. That's what gets shared. Action step. Once a week, post something radically different. Jolt your audience. Break the pattern, break through the noise. Show your full self. Brands don't need agencies. They want real creative. Authenticity sells. They want you, not a spokesperson. Don't wait to be discovered. Audition in public. Action step. Pick 3 to 5 brands you love. Create content as if you already work for them. Tag them. Use their products. Build proof. Pitch with results, not a resume. Be the obvious choice. Short form video grabs attention, but trust is built with long form content. Don't just collect likes. Build real fans. Short videos pull people in. Long videos turn them into customers. Action step. For every long video, create 5 to 7 short clips that tease and drive viewers to the full piece. Connect the dots for your audience. Use attention to build trust. Architect your funnel. The future isn't just screens, it's audio, AR, and immersive experiences. People listen while living life. If you're only visual, you'll get left behind. AR and VR are coming fast. Action step. Start with audio. Record a micro podcast, post it. Get comfortable with a voice. Think in 3D. How could your brand exist as an immersive experience? Plant seeds for the screenless future. Adapt now. Old way. Building secret. Hope it sells. New way. Build with your audience. Use content to test ideas before you create products. AI makes it fast. Mock up, post, gauge interest. Action step. Take one idea. Use AI to create a mock-up, post it, and test engagement. Let your audience guide you. Stop guessing. Start co-creating. Build in the light. Competing on features is a race to the bottom. Sell an experience, not just a product. Your brand is a world people want to join. Use content to immerse them. Language, visuals, sound, AR filters. Action step. Imagine your brand as a place. Give people a taste through your content. Sell the lifestyle, the transformation. Experiences can't be copied. You've got the 8 shifts. This is the new playbook. Knowledge is nothing without action. Want more? Download my free ebook. The ultimate guide to AI in digital marketing. The game is open for the bold. The opportunity is now. Take one thing from this video and apply it today. See you at the top.